Oh, I think I got this myself. I really like this hue light and I wanted to have it for my life.
Wow, look at you. A gift from yourself. To yourself, from yourself.
Hey, that's right. Okay, I swear.
Oh,
there's like a whole lot of stuff that I got from your.
Imagine they're all gone.
We didn't get you anything. Wait. This is for me. Okay, this one I did not buy 1000%. This is from, I'm sure there will be a note. There is no note.
Get back.
Okay, chat, 1000% I did not get this RE20 myself because these microphones are freaking expensive and
yeah, you can just throw it in the trash pile.
Does anybody know who got it? Because I do not know who, I do not know who got something if it doesn't, Yeah, that's really like a $450 microphone.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yes, that's an RE20.
Oh my God, that's the one that I want. Well, no, not for me, but I will get that one for myself eventually. This is for you.
Oh, that's for me?
No, that's not what I meant.
Me.
I'm just saying that's crazy.
Me, you're welcome. Not me. Coincidentally, the buyer's name is Arthur. No, it always says, when you have something like on the wish list, it always says your name.
Who?
Thank you. Wait, I wish I knew who that was.
Show yourself.
Show yourself.
Okay.
Thank you.
So a lot of this stuff is mine. The rest of the stuff outside is just the uplift table, so I'm just gonna wait.
Oh, I know what this is. I bought this for the Switch. It's the 10 gig Ethernet thing adapter.
Okay. Thank you.
Arthur.
I'll just sit on the floor.
On the floor. Wait, are you sure? No, you sit. You sit.
No, Arthur.
But I don't need to sit.
I'm sitting, technically.
I have way more, okay, I don't know how to say this politely, but I have way more cushion, naturally.
I get it, your ass is fat. You think that's serious? Oh, no, don't put the cap on.
Yeah, this one's for you.
Okay.
This is all for you here, right?
Arthur does have a fat ass. He likes to rub it in whenever he can.
This, on the other hand, is 1000% for Julia. This is for Julia.
Yours is all the big stuff.
This is for me. Ha! Okay, this I did not buy myself. I don't think. Oh my God. Yes! It's with a message.
Oh, yay.
Yo, Native, which I believe is Native Waters. Housewarming gifts. Thanks for all the great streams. Hope you enjoy the new house. Moving is stressful with all the items you need. Got some items to help. Aww. Thanks for building great community. A great community, probably.
Oh.
From Native. Yes. Thank you, Native. Dude, I'm not even joking. This is like the pure essence of what is needed for.
So what is this? Can I see? I feel like a mom on Christmas, yes, honey, what did I buy you? Which I didn't buy it, but.
Honey, can you tell me what
Rodecaster Duo. So this is like a way better version of the Focusrite.
Yes.
That you shit on that I have.
You are so smart. It is. No, but nice. It is.
Very cool.
No, seriously, thank you, Native.
It looks like a DJ table.
I'll put the letters upside down here. Yes.
Probably got the mics as well. Could have.
Probably, yeah. I want to believe that.
So chat, everyone keeps talking about the cat. So, sorry, I've seen multiple things. So I ended up getting rid of the little cat tree that I had because it was really nasty, and that's where the cat bowls used to be. So as of right now, I have a towel and cat food and cat water right there for them.
Oh yeah, that is. Oh yeah, that is for the cat.
So he's just eating the cat food.
Yeah. No. Oh, by the way, guess the price.
$150.
Times 3.
Why?
Because it has a really good preamp and it has all the bells and whistles.
Jesus Christ.
150.
Holy, thank you, chat. That's insanity.
No, thank you, Native Waters.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Is it? Does it say my name?
Yeah.
It actually says my name.
Yes. This is me. This is me. This is me. It says, can you black this out or like rip it off? Shit.
Here.
Perfect. Can I have some scissors? Are they moving in together?
He's just spending the night. Indefinitely.
And 6 months rent and... Yeah, Chad, it's gonna be like a long, maybe extremely long slumber party.
Look.
That just doesn't end. Wait, what is this?
What is that?
Oh my god. Ninja FX Mid XL. Oh my god, I might have gotten that for myself.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, this one was a decision because Chad said... Oh, no, okay, listen. Chad said, Arthur, you're no longer a gamer. So I got myself like the gaming stuff that I need to become a gamer. So I got a Ninja FX Mid XL mouse pad.
A giant record.
Why would they? I'm pretty sure this is not glass. This is just like a mouse pad. Why would they?
Are you sure that's a mouse pad? Just rip it open. You can leave it in the package. It has that little open tab.
This is the most extra thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
I don't think I've ever seen a mouse pad shipped that way. They usually roll it up. Oh my god, it is.
What the fuck? Oh my god, it's so clean. Oh my god. Close it up.
Oh yeah, good luck, buddy. You live with cats now. Good luck, buddy.
They will never enter
Cobain,
these
why do you
walls.
look so depressed?
Oh, Cobain.
Cobain said, Mom's sitting on the floor. This doesn't make you a gamer. Hey, guys.
Wow. This one's also for me. It's a cat.
Wow.
Wow.
She's a thickums.
Yep. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna write a twit longer about you.
No, I wanted to very softly like put it to the side.
Chowder, back up, please.
Meow.
You're licking my face, homie.
Thank you, Adeline. This is a package.
Dun da da da. Hi, Cobain.
What's in the box? It's a gift. A gift for you. Enjoy it.
Aww.
Wait, it doesn't say from who.
Maybe they don't want you to know.
Oh my god, I might have ordered this myself actually, by accident. I didn't know you can do that on the wish list, if it's the keyboard. Unless somebody else got it for me, because it was on the wish list. Chad, yo, press 1 if you got this for me. Why would you take the box from the cat?
Is this just an unboxing?
Part of it, yeah.
This is just Arthur's unboxing.
No, see, Chad got it.
Oh, look at all the people that got that for you. That's amazing. Right. I mean, if you bought it for yourself, technically everyone typing 1 did get it for you because they're watching.
That's right.
That's right.
It's true.
Yeah.
So I got a lot of zip ties. These are more like for you, but like they're kind of for us, I guess.
Amazing. I love zip ties. My car runs on zip ties.
That's right.
Wow.
And I do have an older Wooting, but it doesn't have like the F buttons, which is horrible. And I was watching reviews, and apparently the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL is as good as the Wooting, I was told.
The Wooting.
That's right. So the house is ours too. That's right.
That's right, chat. Got to put in a request to come stay, though.
So this is technically for Julia. This is technically for Julia. This is for Julia because these.
What?
It's for the kitchen setup.
Oh, you bought these?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I also got the 3 monitors.
Arthur. This is just an
No, it's not just an unboxing because this is. Wait, this is for me.
Yay!
This is also. I know I did not get this.
Thank you, Arthur.
Because this is a Shure SM7 DB.
That's the one I have.
No.
Yes.
You have the SM7B.
Oh.
This is the DB, which has an integrated cloud lifter, basically.
Oh yeah, I definitely don't have that.
Which is crazy.
That one's expensive.
Yes, and it came with XLR cables. Cable matters. Dude, may I speak freely?
Neighbor's dog. Cool.
It could not be any better. Because...
Okay, JLS.
Oh, wait. Housewarming gifts. Thank you for all the great streams. Hope you enjoyed the new house. Moving is stressful with all the items you need. Got you some items to help. Thanks for building great community. From Native. Housewarming gifts. Thank you for all the great streams. Hope you enjoyed the new house. Moving is stressful with all the items you need. Got some items to help. Thanks for building great community. Native. Dude, W Native Water, seriously.
Thank you, Native.
Because this is like one of those things where it's like, well, if you don't have a mic, then you don't have a mic. And...
You can just yell, you know,
well, but I won't hear you.
You know, we can just use the camera mic, you know, the built-in camera mic.
That's also true. No, but I'm not even joking.
Just kidding.
This is insane.
He's reading it again. Bro, Native is crazy. Native baller. Is this place Ashley approved? Ashley, as soon as we have more than one chair, please come over.
This is for me. This is for me and I didn't buy this. Oh my God. Well, this is technically for you.
Why? How? But it was sent to you.
That's right. But it is a signature slim combo MK955 keyboard and mouse.
Whoa!
And
you're trying to replace my Naga Pro MMO mouse.
That's for the kitchen.
Oh my God, that's so cool. Yeah, I don't need an MMO mouse for the kitchen. Imagine I play World of Warcraft in the kitchen.
Guess the price.
It's Logitech. $200. Is that higher or lower? Am I cold or warm?
I don't remember. Wow! Z207.
Thanks, chat.
$20. No, I think they're like $100. I think.
Oh, okay. So I was over.
Yes.
Yay.
Speakers.
Very nice. Look at that.
That's right. And ooh.
Wow.
Okay, this is hella underrated. You will not appreciate this unless you know the in and outs of power strips. This is an Anchor.
Oh, I have a lot of Anchor stuff. I can somewhat understand the importance. I just know that Anchor is the brand. So I have a lot of Anchor stuff just because people are like, get Anchor. That's so cool.
And this got sent by Pause Champ.
Waiting.
Mike.
Mike!
If I had to guess, it's T. Mike B. Yo. Wow, oh my God, wait, there's so many pairs.